Okay, a little different from my normal stuff, but last week I went and I picked up a windmill tower that I'm going to use to mount a turbine on. This thing came with it. This is an old Dempster windmill, and if I can get it to spin, I'm probably going to make a wooden tower for it and set it up just for looks. Now, I have a lot of experience with air motors and Fiasa windmills. I don't have any experience with Dempster. I'm not sure exactly where to start or what I'm getting into. It's going to be a whole lot of hammering out the blades and stuff. Should be a lot of fun. But as is, a furl works on it. It actually had some wind hitting it earlier today and was pushing it out of the way, so I know that works. The hub is completely seized, and I don't know how big a problem that's going to be to try to figure out. It's all caked with dirt underneath. It might not be salvageable at all. If it's not, then I'll come up with another way to make it all work. I'll figure it out. And if it just shears the axle off or shaft off instead, which it might do, well, I guess I'll abandon it. I've already had people try to buy the wheel off of me, which seems silly because there's not anything on the wheel that's not at least a little broken, but it's their money. All right. That's that.